close it.
So this is our truck after our car crash.
Check it.
This is our
Our light.
wow.
Get the snow out of there. Whoops!
Yeah. Look
Hardly
at that.
broken.
I hit that thing hard enough to bend steel. That's how hard I hit it. Like hard.
How fast are you going?
What did
I
you
wasn't
hit?
going fast at all. I was going like 15 miles an hour. What did I hit? I hit a white SUV or a dark colored SUV and that white car over there.
Wait, this one?
No.
Which one did you hit?
I think it was this one.
The green one?
Oh, that was
Whoa.
That one.
Whoa.
Do you see it?
this one? Or that? Oh, oh wow. So yeah, these are all cars that are broken or something.
Glad she's okay.
And we're all okay.
Hello!